Bundys Garage, Bundy here. Hey, today I'm here with my good buddy Darren. We did a video on the worst diesels, best diesels. It got a lot of hits. People liked it a lot. They made fun of you saying Cummings
with a G at the end.
Cummings with a G. He knows how to say it. And he knows how to work on those trucks. So don't get him wrong. He knows what he's talking about.
He's part Mexican, right? So it is Cummings.
Right.
Cummings.
It's way easier to say than Cummins.
And we
I
have
can say it because I'm Mexican.
the comedian guy here,
Yeah.
Arnie Villarreal.
Hi, I'm with Diesel USA Group out of Louisville, Kentucky. My sister company is Performance Turbochargers. We are the largest Garrett master distributor across the nation. And I just had a guy question me on a new versus reman. Asking me what's the difference. Would it be better for me to buy a reman? Would it be better for me to buy new? Well, the information comes back that I've learned is that it's better to buy a reman. Can you believe that? And the reason being is because that cylinder head has been in that truck, has gone through the heat transformations, heat to cold, heat to cold, expanded, you know, and back and forth. So when they take that head out, when it's remanned, they're refinishing it, and that metal, that steel
has been hardened. That makes sense.
Has been you through it.
Right.
So the reman versus the new is so much better. And you know the seats they put in there, the valve seats, the extensive care and reman touch on it is just huge.
Right.
You know, versus a new.
Right.
And it's going to be cheaper. You know,
it is. And except for the 6.0, I'd never get those rebuilt.
No, really.
They usually have spider cracks in them. You know what I mean? Little spider cracks.
Yeah.
So I would buy a new cylinder head.
And that's exactly what we go through, is that we make sure if there's going to be some cracks in it that are not going to be repairable, that thing's junk.
Right.
We're going to, you know, trash it or do what they do with it. And we're going to get the ones that are repairable, can be remanned, and are savable. And but again, that's what I try to stress to people is the reman versus the new. I would go with the reman, but I'm talking to the diesel guy here.
No, but we do. If we're running the Max Force or we're running the DTs, we never buy a new cylinder head.
Oh, good.
We always get it remanned. Always. I'm just.
Can I get a PO right?
Right.
Would that work?
Right. But once again, didn't know you did that.
So it's a quick one that you can get in and show. Here's how we're adding value. You can, but there's a feel to this. When you're driving that in, you can actually hear when it's going in place. If you put a press on it, you're not going to be able to feel it. We used to use a hammer. All right, we got a couple boys over there that can put up hay. I mean, Darren Damron did. All right, they would hit it so hard they busted the bottom of the head apart. Seriously, I'm not big enough to do it. But if you guys over there are, so they're hitting this thing and they would hit it just hard enough.